Let's begin with the actual transformation of Biketa. As you can see, the main difference between our expensive model and our cheap bike is the handlebar and the seat ergonomics. So that's what we should start working with. First is about removing this mountain bike style handlebar and replace it with the one that you saw we got on the sourcing video. The main issue here is that this part is just smaller than what the other one is. So that handlebar that will go there, the support has a thicker space, so we need to do some adapting on that. First rule of DIY is just try to use whatever you have around. In this case, there's some plastic pipes that are used for the house, so I'm gonna try to use those and see if we can just fill in the gap properly and make it work. As you can see, this is the support of the bike. And this is the actual size of the pipe, which is the same. So it will fit in and it should hold. So it's time to give it a try and see how it works. A bit of cutting and adjusting where necessary. It needed a bit of extra piece to put in there. Then I had to try another option because that didn't work. And then it was slippery, so I tried with some rubber. And in the end, it didn't work either. Doesn't have enough pressure. So time to move on and get a proper piece, quite a cheap one. Give a bit of paint to the handle as we already dismantled, and there you go. That's a successful fit. For the seat, I think it was clear to use this one. It's quite a similar match to what we want to achieve. The risky part here is the support. This may be a brilliant idea or bring a lot of problems. But after a bit of cutting in the seat and adjusting, it seems to work quite well. Let's give it a bit of a paint to the whole thing. Just a quick spray paint. And this is how it is looking right now. Well, it's just the first steps. There's few things we need to add, but I think the look of the seat is quite decent. So the ergonomics is the same, which is mostly what I was looking for. So the final overall picture is getting on the direction that I'd like to go. And it's time for me to take a trip outside of Thailand, so time to dismantle and just put everything in the storage. Sign out and see you soon with the next episode.